All right, so if you've been following my channel, you know I tweaked an old injury in my lower back, and I'm just getting back to doing squats and deadlifts. Today was only my second time doing deadlifts in 2 months. Went super light, just did 5x5 with 155, which is just usually my first set, my warm-up set. Just did 555 with that. I'm just slowly building up. Next week I'm gonna go 5x5 with 205, and then I'm gonna start my program, because the beginning of this block periodization I'm gonna be doing starts with 255, 5x5. All right, but anyways, the point of today's video is, I was thinking, how could I get some extra volume in on my legs without taxing my lower back? So I started looking online at belt squats. Rogue has one, the Rhino belt squat. It looks really good. It's gonna be about $2,000 with tax and shipping. Thinking to myself, you know, this looks kind of like a simple concept. I don't know if I really need to spend $2 grand. So that's what led me to thinking, you know, get a loading pin, a few cinder blocks, put some horse stall mat under it. I already got the dip belt, and I'm gonna see how this works. Right now I got 325 loaded up on it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 45s and 2 quarters, 2 25s. All right, let's see how this goes. If I kill myself, it's on video. I think that's low enough. All right. Ooh, not to do a lot of reps here. Like I said, I'm just testing this out. See how it works. My main concern was that this dip belt, the chains on this dip belt will be cutting into my thighs, digging into my thighs. If that happens, they sell squat belts made by Sweating. So it's not a big deal. I could just order one of those. They're made out of all nylon. So, you know, we'll see how this works. Oh! Holy smokes. All right. No eccentric loading with this. Ah! Holy crap. Oh, that's heavy. Just pull this thing up. Holy smokes. Oh no, we're gonna drop this down a little bit. That's listen, let me tell you something. I think this is gonna work. We're gonna have to start off a little lighter. A couple of reasons I didn't expect this to be so difficult. One, you're not getting the eccentric loading. This is like doing an Anderson squat, like starting at the bottom. Two, if you're using a Pit Shark or other belt squats out there. Pit Shark's one of the only ones I ever used, but it's not a 1-to-1 ratio with the weight because of the leverages. The way it's set up with the cable pulley system, it's like if you put it in the middle setting, it's like 50% of the weight is what you're lifting. Like what I mean is, if you could squat 405, you're gonna have to put 810 on there to feel like you're 1 rep max. That's not the case here. This, you're just lifting the weight. This is 1 for 1 right here. And you know, I'm not a big squatter. 405 is my max, but man, this 325 feels heavy. So let me drop this down. But I think this is gonna work good. Let me just lower this a little bit. Am I embarrassed that I couldn't get this? Am I still gonna post this? Yes and yes. Ah! All right. All right, so there's only 275 now. 6 plates, 16, 45. Yeah, 275, I believe. All right, let's see how this goes. 275 pounds? Come on, man. I've repped this for 20 reps before. Yeah. All right. I don't know how good you're able to see that, but I'm not trying to get a workout right now. We already trained today. We already did deadlifts, bench. We did, no, not actually weighted pulls. We did deadlifts, bench press, some low rack pulls, pull-ups, and dips. We worked so hard, I almost threw up earlier. But so I just wanted to test this out. The loading pin just came in. It looks like it's going to work pretty good. I'm happy. I'm happy with this. I don't know, it seems to me like this is going to work just as good as any belt squat, but we'll see how it goes from here. All right, stay tuned for future videos. Like and subscribe. A lot of you guys comment and say, yo, I like the video, but I can tell you didn't like it because it's only like 3 likes. All right, till next time.